Got a box from Friday Parts. Oh, a Frisbee. Glow-in-the-dark Frisbee. We'll look at that in a second. What we have here, first one. Part number LX465 filter kit, which is, that's what this New Holland is a LX465. And so I went on Friday Parts and I realized, hey, they have a whole filter kit. You will have the fuel filter, you'll have the air filter, which is 2 air filters, and hydraulic, and then the oil filters inside there on the engine here. Then we have a whole bunch of other filters here. There's the hydraulic one, fuel one. So we have an inline filter. Package it good. Here is the oil filter. Yep, oil filter. And there's a part on that, EHP 61329. Yep, and this one is the fuel filter. Yeah, so here's the hydraulic filter. Like I said, they package it up really good. Oh, it's a Duramax one. Hydraulic filter, part number P174552. Holy cow, look what we got here, some air fresheners. That'll be cool for the tractor. There's their mascot there. A nice glow-in-the-dark Frisbee, that was pretty cool. My son will love that. Sitting here at this unit, I got the arms up with the safety part out. So we have the hydraulic filter goes here. Like I said, we got 2 air filters here. I'll show you in a minute. There's our fuel filter. Here's our inline, and then down there is our oil filter. So we're gonna drain some oil, and while we're draining some oil, we'll put the air filters and stuff in. So take the cover off your air filter. That wing nut off. You have one filter, and inside that, that goes inside here. You have here's your other filter. Definitely time to change that. That looks like a much nicer filter. Put it in there. Oh yeah, that's a much nicer, cleaner air filter. That back in. Nope. Just pull out the filter. A nice new hydraulic filter, nice new fuel filter, new air filters. Throw some oil in this and we're gonna call this good. So that looks good for the engine oil. I'm gonna turn on, run a little bit, cycle everything through, and then we'll put the cap back on. And then we'll probably have to top it off a little bit. So there it is. It's all ready to go back to work. I just got to grease it up, pull the safety pins, and drop the boom back down. But yeah, it's ready to go back to work. That was a really good kit. Like I said, instead of buying each filter, looking up each filter individually, it's nice that they have the whole kit. So you just do the whole machine. I'm gonna drop a link in the description if you guys are interested in that filter kit, or the link to Friday Parts. Check out Friday Parts if you guys have a similar machine and are looking for something kind of like that. So it was cool to get this all ready to go, and I got a Frisbee for the kids.